Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips on data analysis and how to use data analysis tools. So today we are looking at Coefficient AI Copilot. This is a Google Sheet extension that helps you to actually do some pivoting, charting, and help you develop formulas. So today we are going to be trying it with these data sets from Kaggle, which is a car data advertisement data set by Anton. Last updated in 2016, so you can download the data set and so that you can try the extension on your own with the data set. So here we have downloaded the data set and then we're about to jump into it. So brief introduction on coefficient. Coefficient uses ChatGPT, so it enables you to ask questions and tell it, okay, this is exactly what I want to calculate, and it gives you the calculation or it generates formulas for you. So when you download the extension and install it, it's going to appear under the extension on Google Sheet, and then you can click and launch it. So this what would appear coefficients chart. We'll be using GPT charts pilot. That's what we'll be using. So today we are going to be using the pivot builder to actually test it out. So with pivot builder, we can basically describe what kind of pivots we are looking at, like basically the question we'll be looking at in order to see how powerful it is. So for a start, we'll be asking questions like, okay, looking at, okay, for us to use it, here we're going to put the range of the data we are looking at analyzing, and then we describe here the actual calculation of pivots table we are actually looking at. Here we're looking at generating pivot table. So in next session we'll be looking at charts. So here basically it's just for me to highlight all. So it selects all the whole range, and then let's just ask which which car has the highest sale by year. So it will tell you to build. So it's analyzing your question. So that's analyzing our question. Then okay, we can either select existing sheets. So that means you want it to be in this sheet or a new sheet, but we are looking at new sheets. Let's consider a new sheet. So we insert, we tell it a new sheet, so we insert. So here GPT pivot table. Sure. So here is showing, okay, this is Acura year 100%. I wonder why it's showing 100%. Also, let's look at another question. This is not really give us exactly what we wanted, but let's look at another question. Okay, let's still look at, okay, which car has the highest price? So I guess the first question I asked was kind of wrong because this is just price. There's no sales here. You get, they are not selling. This is just the price that's attached to a specific car. So now let's look at what it gives us again. Now we are having something now. So this is Bentley. This is the highest sale of Bentley. Mercedes. Yes, this is the highest sale, which is 300,000 USD. That is the US dollars. And this is Nissan. I was thinking Nissan money was the price was kind of more than Mercedes Benz, but I got to understand it because of the additional decimal after the numbers behind the decimal point. So this is so now let's go to more complex analysis. So let's ask, okay, how does the price vary by car brand, body type, engine type, and drive type? Sorry. Okay. Price. Okay. How does the price vary by car brand, body type, engine type, and drive type? So let's tell it to build. This is like a more complex this thing. So we are just asking it that what was the price difference? Is there any price difference between the brand, the kind of engine, and all we have? Or is just the same price for everything? So he has built our charts. So now we are looking at it. So this is it. Acura. Under body we have crossover. We have sedan. Then we under engine type we have others, petrol and gas. So these are the price differences. So under cross, others and full, this is the price we are looking at. But when it comes to petrol, it seems the price drops a little, and then when it comes to this type of body of car, so we are looking at, so it's more of like under the crossover, that is where there is more, the price is higher. So I guess we are getting Acura crossover car, the prices are higher compared to, then the rest followed by petrol. Petrol prices are higher. So this is the beauty of it, is that you can always, what did they call it? You can always edit the table anytime you want. You can edit the table to suit basically what you want. And we'll be looking at how to edit basically. So now let's consider another let's consider another task for you to do. Okay, how does the should I say, okay, average price of cars vary by car brand and year of production? Okay. So we tell it to insert, and we have our chart. So these are the cars by year and the price vary. So it seems okay. I was thinking this Alpha was higher than Acura, looking at the specific year, but Acura is more higher. So when we consider it is for a specific year, zero, that is in 1905, So this is just the brand. So we can always edit more to look at okay specific here. So for us to edit, so each of your analysis, each of the question you asked and the answer that was generated, there is a prompt down here which you will see what is being analyzed and where the what do you call it, where the answer is coming from. So it enables you to just jump in and see really in case you actually forget the question that you asked it and see how it is. So this is the beauty of the coefficients Copilot extension. So under the Copilot extension, you can see consider building charts. This is chart building. So let's just try a chart and see. Let's see how. Okay. What should the gen? Okay. Let's. I'm just looking at what kind of chart can we build. Okay. Okay. Um. Bar. Okay. Bar chart. Bar chart of car by price. I'm just my chart of car by price. Let's see what it brings because this question is kind of. I'm not sure it's going to bring something. I'm not. I'm just trying to just looking at. Yeah. Okay, this chart builder. Okay, this is it. So this is the chart. Yeah. So you can see we can actually customize it. Actually customize the chart, the legend, change the color of if you want the so you can always you can customize it. So if you're not okay with the chart and also you can always switch the header, the column. So the beauty of it is not just the fact that you can use it, but also the fact that you can edit whatever chart or whatever results is given to you. So this helps you to just you thinking of how to calculate those complex formulas and start wondering how do I analyze this out this because with this chart they give you okay, yeah, you can actually look at okay this you can actually remove some okay this is kind of brands or this cars I want. So you just see the price increase, the year, and all those stuff. So it just helps. And also, there's a formula builder. Maybe I'm looking for a specific formula, and you get. So that is it. So by next, I will be working more on charts and see what we can create with the charts with this similar extension. And so you can try it. You can also get the extension from. You can get it from Google extension, or you can just go to their website and actually download the extension. So we are not doing complicated what do you call it analysis because we are just helping people that are into data analysis that are thinking of actually having something to do in data analysis to not be scared of looking at some complex chart and be like some response and be like, how am I going to do this? It's just step by step. So that's what we are here for. Thank you for joining our channel. And once again, see you next video. If you like the video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.